Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss the stock Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The current market price of BPCL is rupees 493. As you can see on the screen of Bombay Stock Exchange, the trailing 12-month EPS of the stock is rupees 85. It is trading at a PE of 5.79 with a price to book of 1.96 and return on equity is 33.86. Let's see what is special about this stock this month. So BPCL is India's second largest fuel retailer. Recently company has announced a dividend of rupees 58 per share. So before understanding the dividend scenario, first of all we need to understand what is a dividend. A dividend is the distribution of the corporate profits to the eligible shareholders of the company, which is decided by the company board of directors. Generally, dividend is distributed to the existing shareholder if they are eligible on the X date, and the record date is when the company identifies the name of the stockholders eligible to receive the dividend according to the books of the company. If we talk about the current market price of the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited as on 14th of September, it is 493. Out of a total dividend of rupees 58, rupees 35 will be given as a special dividend and rupees 23 will be given as a final dividend. If I calculate the present dividend yield on the current market price of rupees 493, it comes to 11.76%. Ex date of the company for paying the dividend is 16th of September, which is Thursday. If I talk about the dividend which was paid by the company last year is rupees 44. So from rupees 44 it has been increased till September is to rupees 58 per share. So if one want to receive the payment, he or she has to hold the stock on the record date. If someone want to make a fresh entry, he or she has to purchase the stock before the 16th of September, which is Thursday, that is before X date. The buyer who buy the stock after 16th of September, which is the X date, or on the 16th of September, they will not be eligible to receive the dividend amount. Company earlier also announced that government want to sell its stake, which will also trigger the open offer in the future. If I talk about especially the series of the September, BPCL has been in the buying mode from the start of September, with share price having risen about rupees 25 in last 2 weeks, largely on fund and FII buying. BPCL counter is presently seen under-owned by the institutional investor. If I talk about the retail shareholders, presently 14.5 crore shares are held by 5.51 lakh retail shareholders with an average of 263 shares held by each investor. They are unlikely to exit on come dividend as they are fond of and will probably the first time receiving such fat dividend on face value of rupees 10 per share. Once the share goes ex-dividend at around rupees 435 to 440 based on the current market price scenario, it will look extremely cheap on valuation parameters, ahead of 53% stake sale by the government ahead. If I talk about the recent experiences of fat dividend given by Vedanta Limited, as they paid rupees 18.50 per share on face value of rupees 1, we saw huge buying on come and ex dividend both. So we expect similar buying pattern to be seen in case of BPCL as well. So BPCL will remain in the similar mode for the entire month. I would like to make a humble disclaimer that this video is only for education and information sharing purpose. Please do not consider this as a buy or sell recommendation.